Hello and welcome to Dad Got This. Today we're going to find out the answer to a couple questions. One of them is, what's this Ninja Thirsti thing all about? The other is, what's a soda's favorite game? That one I can give you the answer to right now. Fizbee. Yeah. First thing, right up front. Ninja sent me this. I didn't have to pay for it. I don't have to send it back. They sent it to me because I asked them to, because I really wanted it. I drink a lot of carbonated water. I just don't enjoy drinking regular water as much. If I can carbonate it for some reason, that makes it seem special to me, and then I want to drink it. I don't know. I'm dumb that way. But I asked them to send this to me, so keep that in mind. You can factor that in however you like in whether you believe me in my review or not. But they didn't sponsor this video. They didn't pay me to say anything in this video. So anything I tell you about this is going to be my honest opinion. And I haven't used this thing yet at all. So we're going to kind of learn together and discover it on our own. Let's open this bad boy up. And here you have the Ninja Thirsti system. You got your main unit, a CO2 canister, a pack of flavored drinks type drops and stuff like that to go in there to make your drinks, and the canister for the water. Now, you might know about things like a soda stream where you carbonate the water and then you pour in your drops to make your flavored drinks. I used to have one of those, but this is a little bit different. These pods actually insert into the machine itself and it mixes it together, which then makes a carbonated drink specifically for this unit. Looking at the flavors, they have lots of fruity flavors, energy drink based flavors, fruit flavors. There are no colas or anything like that. So if you're looking to make actual Coke or soda, then this is not the machine for you. Now, you could just straight carbonate water and put some drops of the cola flavoring in from like another brand. You could do that if you want, but I feel like this is way more expensive than just buying one of those other machines if that's all you're gonna do. This one makes specifically blended, fruity drinks. Where I think this machine really shines is for people who are looking for low or no sugar drinks. So, people like me who drink bubbly water, fizzy water. I drink like Waterloo or Polar or whatever is on sale at the supermarket. I like to drink those, just like a mildly flavored carbonated water. This seems to be right up my alley. Let's go ahead and put it together, install the carbonation tube, canister thing, put that in there. Let's make some water, or fizzy water. On the side here, we have a sticker that says CO2 access door. A couple pieces of tape. And then we've got a little tray here, drip tray. And we got one more here for a fold down drink tray, depending on the size of your cup, I guess. You got a little cup, big cup. Let's see, perfect. How to install CO2. Remove tag, see below. Okay. First thing we want to do is open up our CO2 tank. You have to get this little plastic bit off of here. There we go. Once you have removed the plastic bit, there's a little cap there. Then we're supposed to pull this out. Install by twisting. Okay. Twist until you cannot twist anymore all the way to the right. I think we're good. I didn't hear it go psh. I don't know if it's supposed to, but for the water, it says it wants cold water. So you're supposed to kind of keep this refrigerated or pour cold water into it. Now you can also add ice to your water. I guess that's not going to be a problem. So we are going to go ahead and take this water and we'll pour a little bit more ice in there until we hit that 48 ounce mark. Lid on. I guess this guy goes there. Perfect. And it's pretty cool. Down here, it turned blue. This was white before I put the water in, and now it's blue, which means I have good cold water. Now they have over 20 flavors. They sent an 8-pack with the machine. We've got Splash, Hydrate, Vitamins, and Energy. Those are your 4 categories. Splash are seltzer drinks, kind of like what I drink. Hydrate are sports drinks, think of like a Gatorade. Vitamins are vitamin drinks. I don't know what a vitamin drink is because that's different than an energy drink. Like vitamin water? I don't know. I don't drink vitamin drinks. And then there's energy, like energy drinks, like a Red Bull. That's where I think you get the savings, is the energy. If you drink energy drinks, this might be it for you. Okay, we're gonna go with Splash since that's kinda what I drink most often. We got tropical pineapple, lively lime, and ripe raspberry. Let's go with a ripe raspberry. Oh, vitamins are sweetened. Interesting. Now this has no sugar, no calories, and I believe this is supposed to make like 17 to 20 drinks, depending on the level of flavoring you go with. You can open that up like that. Open the flavor carriage by pressing down on the mixing chamber. Okay. It's kind of like a Keurig, it seems like. Flip the water drops upside down and gently click into place. Okay, so they look like they kind of just go one way. Okay. We got some lights going on. That's good, I guess. Get a cup. And then you can choose from still, a touch of bubbles, classic seltzer bubbles, and max bubbles. I'm going max. So we got size. I want to do a 12 ounce, which is your normal. Okay, that's still water. That's 1 bubble. It's 2 bubbles. That's 3 bubbles. That should be max bubbles. I think we just hit start.
Now, I cut out some sections where it was kind of just waiting and doing nothing. The actual time it took to get me a 12-ounce drink was about 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's not super fast.
It dispenses 6 ounces at a time, so don't grab your drink until it does that beep beep, because your drink's still coming. I did 12 ounces, so I had 2 little shots of it. But man, definitely has some fizz. That is fizzy. Give it a try. That's pretty good. That's very good. Just has like mild flavor, nice and bubbly, cold. Ooh, I kind of like that. Let's try some other flavors. We should be able to just pop that down, take that guy out, flip it up. You can actually do combos where you mix flavors together. Let's do a vitamins. We've got orange tangerine and lemonade. Let's make an orange tangerine lemonade. Now you can select the strength, that's mild, or you can do 2 dots, which would be full flavor. We're gonna go full flavor. All right, our size is still set to 12. Now, I was kind of expecting it to look like the picture with the coloring, but I guess that's just for illustrative purposes. Now this is sweetened, but it's no sugar. So it has like an artificial sweetener in there. Smells good. Ooh. I could drink a lot of that. Ooh, that is good. Doesn't have that fake sweetness taste. It's very, very good. Nice level of flavor. That's nice. And they even give you like a drink menu for making some cool drinks, where you can add a little bit of lemon, you can add strawberry slices, waters. Oh, this is cool. So you can like mix it with pineapple juice. After, no juices go in here, only water. So you're gonna make your drink, then you're gonna make your juice, mix that together. Do not add in anything here other than water. This is just meant for water. A spicy peach mango spritz. I think they're leaving out one thing, maybe like a shot of vodka or rum. I feel like you could make some awesome cocktails using this thing. Oh yeah. Dragon fruit lemonade. Now, my daughter absolutely loves like the strawberry acai from Starbucks, or she gets pink drinks. I feel like we could make like some pretty good stuff here where she doesn't have to get stuff from Starbucks and we can just drink stuff at home and save quite a bit of money that way. Speaking of money savings and costs, from my best calculations, this works out to be about 60 cents per 12 ounce serving. That's factoring in the price of the carbon canister and the drops and how many drinks they make per. Comes out to be roughly 60 cents. How does that compare to other drinks? I made a chart. So it works out to be about the same price, or maybe even a little bit more expensive depending on how cheap you can get your seltzer water and where you buy it. Where the big savings comes in is like a Red Bull. Red Bull's like $2. This is way cheaper than that, and it's supposed to have all the same energy and vitamins and stuff like that as like an energy drink. So if you're drinking energy drinks, you will save a ton of money. Regular seltzer water, you're just gonna get a lot of convenience and flexibility for multiple flavors. Use it when you want. Always gonna have great carbonation. You don't have a bunch of cans to worry about in your house. We fill up our recycle bin a lot with my cans from my seltzer water. And then there's other drinks like lemonades and stuff like that, because you can make, straight lemonades and things like that that aren't carbonated. And even if you buy those in the stores in the bottles, they can get pretty expensive. So straight seltzer water, you're not really going to save a ton of money, but once you start getting into more flavored drinks and stuff like that, you can actually get a little bit of savings from this. If I were to make any suggestions to Ninja, it would be I'd like some more non-fruit based flavors. I would like to make the occasional root beer or something like that in here. That would be nice. If they could branch out into that style drink, that'd be awesome. I would love that.
Same exact procedure as last time. Tip it down, put your flavorings in, and then flip it back up. Nothing to it but to do it. Once you got them in, we're going to pick 3 dots for maximum sparkles or bubbles. Then we're going to go up to a 24 on this one. I wanted to do a big cup. And then on the bottom here, you're going to see where you got to hit 1, and then you got to hit 2. Make sure they're all lit up. Then you're going to get a combo. Other than that, you're not getting a combo. Also, you can only do combos on 12 ounces or larger. It will not work on just a 6.
This one has the color of the orange tangerine, and I've officially done a mix. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, that's even better than the first one. I like this machine. If you enjoyed this content and this review, leave a like, leave a comment. Leave me a comment on what you think is the best part or what you'd like improved. Do you have one of these? Is there a flavor that I need to try? Let me know in the comments. YouTube loves the comments. Consider subscribing. Consider becoming a member. I got memberships. That's down in the description. Also, I'll throw a link down to this machine if you want to pick one up in the description. It is an affiliate link. It does help me out. If you use it, doesn't cost you anything though. I do have one more question for you. What kind of test would a soda give? A pop quiz. Terrible, right? Yeah. What's not terrible is this machine. Dad may tell horrible dad jokes. Review carbonated beverage machines. But one thing Dad will never do is an outro. So that's it. Bye.
This episode of Dad Got This was brought to you by our producers. Thank you very much.